Jessie.
Hello, Miss Roxy. How are you?
Good. I am just going to do a video for a small group to show our students how to make a bird feeder. You need a toilet paper tube, and you need a hole puncher or something to bore 2 holes on the top.
Okay.
And you need a piece of string so you could tie it through here and put it on the tree. You need some sunflower butter or peanut butter, and you need bird seeds, okay? So first, I will take the bird feeder and I will put a hole through each side, and I will tie it on like this so that I can attach it to the tree house. Okay, so see, Miss Jessie, I put the string through the top, and I will tie it so that we can hook it onto a tree outside, and I will just knot it this way. Okay, here you go. And then I will take the sunflower butter and I will generously put it all around. Now the purpose of this lesson, Miss Jessie, is for the students to be able to talk about what they're doing and how we build a bird feeder, to have a conversation. Okay?
Okay.
So you could be generous with the sunflower butter or peanut butter, either or. Boys and girls, I'm recording this to send it so you can do this tomorrow, okay? All right, here we go, Miss Jessie. Do you think I have enough on here?
Yeah, that's enough, Miss Roxy.
Okay, so then I'm going to take the bird seeds and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over so that it stays. And here we have it, Miss Jessie.
Oh, that's
Our
very
bird
nice.
feeder
bird
is all
feeder.
ready, and it ties into our lesson of tubes, because we're learning about tubes and tunnels. And this is a toilet paper tube. We needed a toilet paper tube, a piece of string. We put 2 holes in the top. We put some sunflower butter, and we put the bird seed. And there you have it, your bird feeder.
Thank you, Miss Roxy.
You're
Bye-bye.
welcome, boys and girls. Please make this and send me pictures, okay, Mom and Dad, Uncle, Aunt, Grandma, Grandpa? Thank you so much.
Okay.